Everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today to show you guys some goodies that I received from a black-owned business located here in Texas, Austin, Texas to be exact, and it goes by the name of NUVÈLUXX Raw. Now, NUVÈLUXX Raw has edge control, which I did use today. They have a hair wax, lashes, wigs, and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to show you guys what she sent me, and make sure you guys check the description box below for all of the details, including everything that I received, as well as the website link. And I have a code for you guys that you can use to save you all some points. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. So I did cross out my address because y'all don't need to know that. But it came in this box right here. I got this probably, it's been at least a month and a half, 2 months, so yeah. But it came in this box like this, and in here is all of my goodies. So before I show you guys what she sent me, in my package I got some little flyers. It says NUVÈLUXX Raw Hair Extensions and Mink Lashes by Kiana. I think I said her name right, so I apologize if I didn't. And then on the back, it just pretty much has the social media, where she's located, delivery within city limits, please contact for details. And then of course this is for me. So she sent me 3 lashes, hair wax, edge control, the lash tweezers, and something else. Now, she accidentally sent me 2 pair of the same lashes. I had asked for a different kind, but she accidentally sent 2, which is fine with me. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the lashes that she sent me. So I'm wearing a pair of the lashes now. I am wearing Irresistible. I will put a clip so you guys can see how the lashes look before I put them on my eyes. But these are how they look on my eyes. Really cute, really wispy like. I really do like those type of lashes. So this is how the packaging looks for all of the lashes. Irresistible is in the Dramatic collection. She has Dramatic collection, and she has, I forgot what the other one is called, but I'll be sure to leave it down below in the description box. But it comes in this package. And for her Dramatic lashes, they come with a little brush in here to brush them. The packaging is really cute. I love the holographic, and it's magnetic to close. So very cute. The other lashes that she sent me, which I've been wearing like crazy, I've been wearing the other pair. This one is also in the Dramatic collection. This one is Statement. So these are really cute. They are really pretty. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I did tag her in any pictures of me wearing the lashes. So definitely love her lashes. So I will definitely be supporting regardless. Next, she sent me edge control, which I've used today. I've been using this edge control like crazy. I've been using it on myself, and I've been using it on my 2-year-old niece. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all exactly how much I've used. But this is her edge control. It's for all hair types. This edge control smooths edges and holds well, keeps styles long lasting and flake free, perfect for creating slick styles, polished ponytails, and taper cuts. So like I said, I've been using this like crazy. It's a clear edge control, and it really works. This is what I used today. Like, do y'all see my edges? They are laid. I've been raving about her edge control on my Instagram story. So if you're looking for some edge control that doesn't flake, definitely check hers out. So next is the wax stick. The wax stick is for all hair types. I haven't quite used the wax stick yet. So the hair wax stick is a lightweight blending wax that creates a slick finish look that completes any hairstyles without the white buildup, adds shine, smooths, and also a good heat protector. Oh, it also has an expiration date, so this expires August 13th, 2023. So this is how the wax looks. Can't really see it, but there you go. And like I said, she sent me the little lash tweezers. It's like a rose gold. Super cute. And then I'm not too sure what this is. I have no idea. Yeah, I don't know what this is, but this was in the box, So I want to thank Kiana for sending me these goodies from her brand. I really do appreciate it, and plan on working with her more. Like whatever she got, if she need me to promote something, if she need me to do a video for something, definitely I got her, because for one thing, Black owned. She's in Texas. I'm in Texas. I love her lashes. I love her edge control. Eventually, I want to try one of her wigs. So yeah, whatever. This is going to be a long-term thing I got going on with her. So I really do thank her for sending me this stuff and allowing me to help put her business out even more and all of that. Now, like I stated, I do have a code for you guys, and the code for you guys to use is thelindsaye. I will leave it down in the description box, and I will pin it in the comments. So make sure you guys use that code. If you use my code, I will get some type of commission for it. So help your girl out. Go ahead and use my code so I can get a little cha-ching ching from it. If you don't want to use my code, you don't have to. That means don't use the link. But if you are willing to help me like I'm willing to help you, go ahead and click that link below. See what you like. If you like something, put it in your cart, and make sure you put my code in there as well. But that is pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you're not missing a new upload from yours truly. That's about it. I will see you guys in my next video.